So I'm going to use this washi tape from Cookie Sticker Co. to make a washi tape planner clip or embellished planner clip. I'm going to take about 12 inches and fold it in half, sticky side to sticky side, and line that up. I use the scissors to hold the roll in place instead of trying to tear it off of the roll first. It seems a little easier to double it up that way, and then I'm just going to snip it off of the roll and make sure everything is lined up, and I'm going to snip off the jagged ends just to even it up. So you should have about 6 inches in length. The longer the better, so you won't necessarily need the whole 6 inches, but it's easier when you have a little excess. So I'm going to take one of these larger paper clips with the single loop at the top, put the double loops down at the bottom, and then I'm going to line the washi tape up with those straight ending prongs or the ends of the paper clip that are towards the middle. I'm just going to line the top of my washi tape up to that, centered in front of the paper clip. Then I am going to take one side at a time and feed it through. So I'm going to take this left side first and pull it through that loop at the top and just hold it there. Keep it on that side. And then the right side, I'm going to feed through the loop at the top and just hold it there. So this is the beginning shape of the clip, and then I'm just going to pull those two that I fed through up, and that will tighten up the slip knot, because basically that's what you're doing, making a slip knot on the paper clip. And just pull carefully. This washi tape is pretty tough, but if you're using more of a paper type washi tape, it could tear. So you have to be careful when you're tightening it up. You might want to add a little glue on the back to hold it. And then I'm just going to trim off some of the excess because I feel like the tails are a little bit long. And they don't have to be perfect. I don't think I even get close to being even with this, but I do trim some of the excess off. And if you want to do a fishtail, then all you do is cut in the center of the washi, and then from each corner, you make each corner meet that center cut. So you cut the center, then go to the corner and meet the center cut, and the other corner and meet the center cut, and then you get that fishtail look. And that is it. That's how you can make a washi tape planner clip, paper clip, embellished paper clip, however you want to call it, but it's as easy as that.